Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you a very useful setting to be enabled, especially if you are using AMOLED display mobile. First of all, please do comment which mobile you are using. And this is on my IQ Z7 Pro and the display is excellent. But I observed something which is just a bit difficult for me to use this mobile at night time. So as this is AMOLED display, usually at night when I open YouTube and play any video, even though if I decrease my brightness, still when I play the YouTube videos, the light is emitting from the screen, which I feel a bit slightly difficult for me to look at the screen. So my eyes are getting strained. So what I did is I just searched on the phone settings itself to get extra dimness. So I just searched like dim and I saw this extra dim feature. Most probably your mobile also will have this feature. Please do comment if there is no feature like this on your mobile and the model number. So you need to click on this extra dim. By default this will be disabled, so you need to enable this. Once you enable this, you will get this option here at the notification area, or the drop down area, and with one tap you can enable this, and with one tap you can disable this. Now it is enabled. Now when you decrease this brightness at night time, it will give you the extra dimness, so your eyes won't get strained as much as when you see your screen without this feature. And you can adjust according to your requirement once you enable this option. Even though if you enable this option, you can increase and decrease the brightness, that is up to you. And to my personal experience, when I keep this setting on, I felt my eyes are okay now. Means looking at the screen is quite comfortable now. So if you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.